Welcome to the RC Adventures with the Turtle Bros. Today I'm going to be reviewing this light bar kit that I got straight from Redcat. I believe it was $15. So I got the chrome version of it. There was a black version of it. I think it was like, I don't think it was quite this black, like that. It was more, well, they're about the same. But it was about like that. The edging, plastic, and they each come with a little, so unfortunately we have to assemble them. So you just put the light in, you screw the cap on in the back to hold the back of the light in place. And then you've got these clear things they're basically decoration, they're lenses. And then you got brush guards in the front, which then you have to glue on with the brush guards. And then for installation you have to screw like 4 holes for the screws, so it holds it down. And then I took the drill and I moved it back and forth to get a wider hole so you could fit the actual thing that plugs and gives it power in the back. Now, from what I've seen, cable management isn't the best. They didn't really have a place to put cables and stuff like that, so they're just out in the open. Which, it still looks fine, but it'd be nice if they had it. Another thing is that the cord, it isn't quite long enough to reach when the body is fully open. So like, you've got plenty of space to open it and plug it in when you actually want to use it. And you plug it into the fourth, or the last port furthest away from this big red Hexfly thing. You're going to plug it in furthest away from that. So now I came outside to just show you how bright it is. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the fourth port, which you probably can't see. But the port furthest away from this Hexfly thing. And when I go ahead and turn it on, it gets a pretty good, like, right in front of it, which is nice. And since these were only $15, they look great with it, and they shouldn't drain too much battery life, seeing as how small they are. It's simple, and they're gonna look really good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.